Good afternoon, everyone. Chris Snellgrove here, CEO and founder of Reputation Sensei. We're incredibly excited about NADA 2026. Reputation Sensei is known for two things. First, we help dealers define their customer experience by gathering constant feedback from every customer interaction. This improves CSI scores, thus driving revenue. Second, we amplify the voices of happy customers through testimonials and reviews, helping our dealer clients communicate trust and attract more shoppers. This past year, we launched the Sensei Says Testimonial app, and our average store now averages 40 to 50 testimonials per month. We strategically place these authentic customer stories across social media websites, YouTube, and Google listings, setting our dealers apart from their competition. Here's why this matters. Consumer trust in online reviews has plummeted from 91% to just 50% in the past 6 years. Only half of consumers now trust online reviews as much as personal recommendations. My workshop, Beyond Google Reviews, Next Level Trust Marketing, reveals a specific strategy to get customers to give testimonials without directly asking for them. Here's my offer. Visit me at the V20 booth. In just 7 minutes, I'll share the exact blueprint for this testimonial capturing formula. I'm giving this away free at NADA. And finally, play Find Sensei. Throughout the show, when you spot someone wearing our pointed Sensei hat with our logo, approach them and say testimonials equal trust, and you'll have an opportunity to reach into a bag and pull out cash. We're giving away $50 and $100 bills. Come see us at NADA.